Abantu ku rw'ombicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe by'ihanga babire berundanira hari Uganda Matazi Catholic Social Center umurembo Mbarara Okushabira emibiri y'abanyabuzari baba bisirwe kansa.
Ngabura umwaka icyabugeraho umukoro nkoko mu gatanu nkoru izo humwahure izo fada nkanye izo na sheki babasalamu tumuruza abantu bita abafirwa abantu babo aburi bari yakansa
bamwe habanda bashikira kushabuko batebize miringo y'ikansa yisirimo abanyabuzari babo
kongani kumusemeza wafuye muri Yesu n'ufati
nacho bizokazi kugomo cha kurakoza ilichema wakati mukazi wa wabiri kansa nabura nabyo ngo bamubwire ko baganiriye agomba
kurga 2020 kwiza kika 2020 hata uko yatabuche kwiyatabuka cyo kuno umuntu natwire akamuragura bakangamire ngo umuntu kamure kabiri umuntu namurita mini hospital
Mbarara Boni orukure kitongore cy'urukurebera abantu abintu burwire bwe kokoro echa hospice kandi ababire batebekana isukushabuku nagira ngo ecyo bacikoze rukwenda konjera kumanyisa abantu akabaka ryombo burwire bwa kansa.
Of course cancer nabwe tokugamba ngo arwere cancer bamuleka no ina kutunga emibazi yo kutunga chemotherapy nogenda mulago for radiotherapy ebyo bintu byona nibitwara sente.
Raboni nashobora ngo okuraguriza burwire bwa kansa nicetengesa sente nyamwinji enshonga habwe ncinera kukakwita abantu omugandi banyina makaba ryombwe bembezo bw'amakanisa n'amakereziya bahijirwe kube cyo kureberaho mu bushwere okwenda ngo abarko butaha mu bwahata bagire cyo kureberaho.
And that big objective we need to hold before us, that Christian marriage would be the bedrock of Ugandan society. Indeed, the bedrock of all societies around the world.
There should be some qualities that I developed in her. I should have improved what she was to be what she is today. And she should have improved me to be a better person than she found.
For us, we entered priesthood. I'm a man without a wife, first of all. No children. No. And very many people that think that as such people are very free and they don't have responsibilities.
Abakazi hamwe n'abashija bagambire ibintu barukunda habakundwa babo hamwe na nebikubanyizya. Ekiganiro kibesere Christian marriage dinner kibiraho mu Rembo Mbarara. Abwa TV West ndi Elias Ritugusa na Mayiko tumwakiri.